Glutathione has gained incredible popularity recently because it is said to lighten skin tone. So much so that several celebrities are said to get glutathione injections to brighten and lighten their complexion. It is a powerful antioxidant with several medicinal and cosmetic usages. It neutralizes free radicals, heavy metals, and peroxides present in the body and thus making the skin appear brighter and younger. For cosmetic purposes, glutathione can be used in three ways on your body and skin. First, it is glutathione injections. This is a tricky one and cannot be done without the supervision of a qualified doctor. Second is glutathione tablets for oral consumption. And the third one is glutathione cream for topical application. So the third one is the safest of all the three ways, mainly because it doesn't have any side effects and one also doesn't need a doctor's prescription to use it. Though these creams can be bought from stores, but why spend when you can make them at home? Yes, DIY glutathione creams, which are equally effective, super safe and cost you almost nothing because most of the ingredients are already in your kitchen. So let's get started and see how to make DIY glutathione cream. But before that, make sure that you follow me on Instagram and Facebook and also please subscribe to my channel. The first ingredient has to be fresh carrots. I could get these orange ones, but if the red ones are available, then nothing like it. You can totally go ahead and use the red ones. Carrot is a rich source of antioxidants, beta-carotene and phenolic acids, along with vitamin C that lowers the concentration of melanin in your skin and make the skin appear lighter and brighter. Wash and peel the carrot and dice it in small cubes. Drop it in a mixer. Next, I'm using fresh cucumber. Cucumber has to be one underrated skin brightening and whitening agent, and trust me, it bleaches the skin very gently and make it appear bright, even toned and glowing. Cucumber is a powerful astringent as well, and it reduces the size of skin pores, making it appear very smooth and less oily. Cucumber also helps with the reduction of acne. Do you know which common vegetable has the strongest skin whitening effect? Ladies and gentlemen, it has to be a humble potato. Potatoes contain azelaic acid, which is an incredible skin brightening protein. Most of the Ayurvedic doctors suggest applying freshly squeezed potato juice on the skin for a bride-like glow. But whenever you're using potatoes on your skin, make sure that it is freshly cut. Potatoes oxidize very quickly and turn dark. Adding a very little water to make a very fine paste. Sieve the pulp to extract vegetable concentrate. Make sure that you do not use too much water, otherwise the juice will turn very runny and we do not want that to happen. So here we have a very powerful antioxidant juice for brighter and whiter looking skin. Add some aloe vera gel and whisk everything together till a creamy consistency is achieved. Guys, all the ingredients that are shown here are linked in the description box and I bought them all from Amazon. Why? Because Kickstarter deals are live on Amazon. You can shop now and get 50 to 80% off on all the top beauty and fashion brands. 1,500 plus top brands, great prices and unbeatable deals on 50,000 plus unique styles. Get free delivery on your first order, 30 days easy return and pay on delivery. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and shop now. This looks so beautiful, just like a store-bought cream. To get glutathione working and activated, I am adding a few drops of orange essential oil. Orange essential oil reduces the melanin pigment and thus reverses tan and dark patches on the skin. Orange essential oil also has an amazing anti-aging and tightening effect on the skin. The last ingredient is vitamin E capsules. It provides hydration and soothes out the fine lines and wrinkles, making the skin appear very smooth and younger looking. Give everything a good whisk. So here we have our DIY glutathione cream ready. Keep this in the fridge in an airtight container and apply twice a day. One after washing the face in the morning, before your moisturizer, and essentially at bedtime. Within a few days of regular application, wonderful results would be seen. So guys, do try this one out and let me know how did this one work for you. And I will see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.